Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you another fried rice recipe. It's Korean style. It's called kimchi fried rice. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started. Chop kimchi and scallion into small pieces. Dissolve Korean hot sauce with kimchi juice. Now you have baby shrimp, scallion, hot sauce, rice, and kimchi. Let's make a sunny side up egg first. Add scallion and baby shrimp to the wok. Add kimchi and start stir fry. Now add the rice to the wok and continue stir fry. Add more scallion to the wok. Add half teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon jjigae and hot sauce. Finally add seasoned oil. Add the egg on top of the rice, sprinkled with some seaweed and scallion. This is the kimchi fried rice I'm talking about. The flavor is incredible and worth trying at home. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.